Under the cover of darkness, the Frontline once again erupted into chaos, as newly released nighttime footage showed Ukrainian FPV drones relentlessly striking Russian infantry positions. The grainy images, illuminated only by thermal signatures and sudden flashes of explosions, captured a tense and unforgiving battlefield where every movement could mean the difference between survival and destruction. According to Ukrainian military sources, the operation took place in a heavily contested sector where Russian troops had been attempting to regroup after sustaining losses earlier in the day. As night fell, Ukrainian drone operators prepared their FPV units, knowing that darkness would not provide safety for the enemy, but instead expose them to a new and deadly form of warfare. The footage reveals Russian infantry cautiously advancing along tree lines in shallow trenches, clearly believing that the night would conceal their movements. Moments later, the distinctive whine of FPV drones cut through the silence, racing low over the ground with deadly precision, guided in real time by operators miles away from the front line. One by one, the drones struck their targets with devastating accuracy. Explosions erupted among clusters of infantry, sending shockwaves through the surrounding terrain. Thermal cameras showed troops scattering in panic as surviving soldiers attempted to flee, only to realize that escape routes had already been anticipated and covered. Military analysts say these attacks demonstrate how Ukrainian forces have mastered nighttime drone warfare. By combining thermal optics, real-time intelligence, and experienced operators, FPV drones have become a relentless threat that denies Russian troops the ability to rest, regroup, or maneuver safely after dark. The psychological impact of such operations is believed to be immense. Russian soldiers on the ground are forced to remain in a constant state of alert, knowing that even the smallest movement or heat signature could attract a drone strike. Night, once a period of relative calm, has transformed into a time of heightened fear and uncertainty. In the footage, several Russian infantrymen are seen abandoning equipment as they run for cover, highlighting the sudden collapse of coordination under pressure. Ukrainian drones pursue with chilling efficiency, striking trenches, dugouts, and temporary shelters that had been hastily prepared during daylight hours. Ukrainian commanders emphasize that these operations are not random acts of destruction, but carefully planned strikes aimed at disrupting enemy logistics and morale. By targeting infantry units at night, Ukrainian forces seek to exhaust their opponents, leaving them weakened and disorganized when daylight combat resumes. The use of FPV drones also reflects the evolving nature of modern warfare, where relatively low-cost technology can deliver outsized results. Each drone, often assembled with civilian components, is capable of inflicting damage once associated only with artillery or airstrikes, reshaping the balance of power on the battlefield. As explosions light up the darkened landscape, the footage underscores how traditional frontline concepts are being rewritten. There is no longer a clear rear area or safe zone, as drones can penetrate deep into positions once thought secure, turning darkness into an advantage for those who control the skies. Ukrainian officials stated that similar night operations are now conducted regularly across multiple sectors of the front. The consistent pressure is intended to wear down Russian units over time, forcing commanders to commit additional resources simply to maintain defensive positions. For the soldiers on the receiving end, the experience is described as relentless and terrifying. Survivors reportedly speak of an invisible enemy that strikes without warning, leaving little opportunity to react before explosions tear through their ranks. International observers have noted that such footage is increasingly shaping global perceptions of the conflict. The images of precise nighttime drone strikes highlight Ukraine's adaptability and technological ingenuity, even as the war continues to exact a heavy toll on both sides. As dawn eventually breaks, the aftermath of the night's fighting becomes visible. Scorched ground, shattered trenches, and the remnants of a failed attempt to hold territory under constant aerial threat. For Ukrainian forces, the mission is considered a success. For Russian infantry, another grim reminder of the dangers that now dominate the front line. The nighttime FPV drone strikes serve as a stark symbol of the war's new reality, where darkness offers no refuge and the battlefield never truly sleeps. With each passing night, Ukrainian drones continue to hunt, reinforcing a clear message that control of the skies, no matter how small or fast, can decisively shape the fight on the ground.